Need to kick the habit that my mind